Hello guys, if you hear the clicking sound from the Rode Videomic Go, just like I do, so this is the right place for you. Yesterday I got this mic and I faced this clicking sound as you hear in this sample clip. This annoying sound. So when I searched for this issue, I found that it's related to the interference with the cable and also with the microphone jacks, and this is mainly from Wi-Fi or any other strong signals, but mainly Wi-Fi. This camera has a Wi-Fi and also have Bluetooth connection. Once you disable this, you will be fine. So let me show you how to do this. I'm having the M50, Canon M50. So in the functional settings, find it in wireless communication, Wi-Fi settings, disable the Wi-Fi, and also disable the Bluetooth, and you're good to go. So this is how the microphone sound looks like after disabling the Wi-Fi settings and also the Bluetooth. Should be fine by now. And that's it. All what you need to do is to avoid interference with Wi-Fi signal, either by being so close to, let's say, your home router, or even a hotspot from a Wi-Fi hotspot from mobile. You can just keep it away. It's really a good mic and it's worth trying this. Just in case you faced any clicking sound, you can also eliminate this by using software. You can do this background noise in any software you use for editing. I can do a video for this in the future. Just let me know in the comments. Alright, if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel, like, share, and see you next video.